Now we're having a bit of craft fun with Thorndown Peelable Paint just to finish off the garden. And I've enlisted the help of my daughter Eva.
Hi.
And her friend Evie.
Hi.
And we're working here with the craft selection. It's the translucent selection, which means the sunlight can shine through it, a bit like a stained glass. And these come in amazing colours. I think it's really children friendly. So we have things like goblin green or dragon red or
Skylar blue, wizard yellow.
Wizard yellow.
Mermaid blue.
Mermaid blue, I like that one. So I think they're aimed at the kids and it's crafts. What's great about this, as it says on the tin, it's peelable. So if you make a mistake or you decide to change the pattern or the picture, you can just peel it off. So we're working on some mirrors here and we're just having a little bit of fun with it. There's also an opaque collection, which means it blocks the sunlight going through it. So this is perfect if you've got a conservatory that's a little bit too hot and you just want to block out the sunlight, or even you want to have a little bit of fun with your greenhouse. What's great about this product, yet again, is that it's 100% water-based, it's eco-friendly, and also it's made from 100% recycled resin, so it's good for the environment as well.